Is there an ideal time or schedule to run Amazon PPC ads? It can be. This goes a lot into day parting. Now, day parting is a topic that it was a hot topic for a while until now it's not anymore. It really comes down to the volume that you're doing. So I would ask you, it can be an ideal time when it comes down to optimization towards profitability. Now, what I would not do reporting in case that I don't have an optimization software that's going to manage that for me. Reason for that is because manually it's going to take you way too much time to figure that out, and you can do this only on a campaign level. So what I would advise you in this case, be just cognizant of how much do I actually spend per month on advertising, because if you're not spending at least $10,000, even $20,000 per month on advertising, you are just going to go into a rabbit hole and not do this. Solve one problem at a time, and this should be the highest priority problem that it's going to help you towards the business goal that you have or the main goal that you have for your brand for the year. And day parting might be one of those things that if you're not spending enough on Amazon, you're just spending time on focusing on something that's not the most important and most impactful for your account.